दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई। देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहां पहले आई, सभ्यता जहां पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहां पे कला। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले।
Really, we are born in Bharat, and Bharat is a great country, and this country is named after a great king whose name was Bharat. Today we will read the story of Bharat, the brave child. Actually, Bharat was the son of Shakuntala and Dushyant. Shakuntala was adopted daughter of sage Kanv, who was living in a forest. Animals were very dear to her. She played with them, and this was the cause all creatures loved her. Dushyant, who was the king of Hastinapur, once he went to the forest with some of his horsemen, and that time he heard a deer, and that wounded deer went near Shakuntala. Shakuntala nursed it. Meanwhile, Dushyant reached there and asked Shakuntala, "What are you doing here?" That time Shakuntala told her that I am living here with my father Kanva, but who are you and why did you hurt this deer? King Dushyant said that I am the king of Hastinapur, and this forest is a part of his kingdom. Hunting is his hobby, so he has hurt this deer. Shakuntala was surprised. She said that it is the duty of a king to protect all the animals and people of the kingdom, but the king himself hurt. How will they feel themselves safe? When Dushyant heard these words, that time he understood the meaning of kindness, and he wanted to marry Shakuntala. Shakuntala was married to Dushyant. He lived there some time, but after that he had to go to his kingdom. Before going, he gave a ring to Shakuntala, and he told he will come back soon. But one day it happened that when Shakuntala was taking bath, that time her ring slipped off in the river, The ring was swallowed by a fish. She was very sorry. She was very sad. But after that, she gave birth to a baby boy and she named him Bharat. Time passed. One day, a fisherman caught that fish. When he cut it, that time he found the ring there. The name of the king was written on that. So he went to hand over that ring to the king. When the king saw that ring, suddenly he remembered all the words that he had said to the Shakuntala. And that time chariot was made ready and the king reached the forest. When king reached the forest, that time he saw a child playing with cub. He was very surprised. There is a very brave boy. He asked him his name. Then he told, I am Bharat. King Dushyant wanted to meet his father and mother. That time Bharat called her mother. When her mother Shakuntala came out, that time she saw that King Dushyant has come. Shakuntala told Bharat about his father, that he is King Dushyant, he is your father. King Dushyant also became very happy to know that Bharat was his son. He requested Shakuntala and Bharat to go to the palace and told Bharat that you are the future king of Hastinapur. After some years, Bharat became the king. The people were very happy in his kingdom. The age of Bharat is also called Golden Era, and I had told you earlier that our country is called Bharat and our country got its name after this mighty king Bharat. You may have seen the logo of your school. In that logo, there is a child counting the teeth of a cub. He is Bharat. It is a matter of pride for us that we are the people of such a great country, that is Bharat, and we are proud to know it that Bharat, who was a brave child, this country is named after it. Thank you. Have a nice day.